YouTube? We're Goldwing with Derrick T, and I'm out tonight, and I'm not even going very far. I'm going to a friend's house, and I'm kind of testing out my audio a little bit because I went out the other day and I came home ready to cut and edit some video, and the audio absolutely sucked, and I don't know why. So I made a couple minor adjustments, and I actually just want to see, I just want to see what this video looks like, or not looks like, what it sounds like. I know it will look just fine recording with the GoPro, but I'm really concerned about my audio and what it sounded like the last time I went out. So hopefully, like I said, this is an improvement. This little section of street has been under construction for like 3 or 4 months now. I have no idea what they're doing, but it's kind of inconvenient during the day because they had this part shut off. So I always had to find creative ways around it. So this is simply a microphone check. There are still 2 microphones in my helmet. Yeah, there's still two microphones in the helmet. One of them is situated near my ear pad. That ear pad is its whole purpose is to bring audio from the Sena whenever I'm on the phone or communicating with somebody via the Sena in any way. And then I have a second mic that is in front of the cheek pad designed to get audio from me speaking. So, alright. I have an LED bulb out in the front. I think that's why my turn signal is hyper flashing like that. I have some LED bulbs, but one thing I'm not an expert at is taking the front fairing apart. Oh my God, how much I hate the idea of even attempting it. I know you gotta get these mirrors off, and I think you definitely gotta take the front cover off, and I've seen it done, and I'm so not looking forward to attempting it on my own. So much so I might actually get somebody else to do it. But it'll be a wintertime project. So it's probably about 50 degrees right now. It's not terribly cold outside. I did dress a little bit for it, put a couple layers on, because where I'm going, I'm just going to have a game night with some friends. We like playing Phase 10. And actually, I got to go over here and defend my title because last time I won. So I gotta defend my title tonight, and we'll see what happens. But like I said, not going anywhere terribly far. Evidently not obeying the traffic laws either. Kind of rolled through that stop sign. But we'll be there in a couple seconds. Like I said, the bigger thing for today is just making sure that my audio comes through, because it was all messed up. I was really kind of frustrated about that, because I had some plans for that footage. So I'll just have to get out one day and redo it. We'll see what tomorrow looks like. I don't go into work until Wednesday. I have some B-reel footage here using the GoPro Max 360. So got A-reel on the helmet, B-reel on the handlebars, and we'll put it all together and see how it turns out. See what I did there? Yeah, you saw it. I'm back and on my way home, and again I was just out visiting with some friends, and the bigger thing about this particular ride was trying to make sure that my audio is correct, because I took some really good footage the other day and ended up not being able to use any of it, and I really didn't understand why. I didn't make very many adjustments to my helmet setup. I moved a couple things around, but it wasn't anything serious, so hopefully what little bit I did do did the trick. Because I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why the road is so wet right there, but on a cold night like tonight, cold and wet on the street, I prefer to take my time. Alrighty. What I probably should have done was get on the highway and do a little bit of highway speed, because part of the audio problem that I had was a lot of wind noise. But again, I couldn't figure out why I was getting all of that noise, because like I said, I have done several videos with my new setup without having that problem. So hopefully the situation is different when I get to the house. I should have made a right there, but heck, let's take the long way. Why not? It's a nice crisp night. It's not too cold at all. It's a little chilly, but it's not downright cold. So this was a good one to get out. Like I said, hopefully I don't have too much of an audio issue. We're gonna go open the garage. By the way, you all hear that? That's the Torquemaster pipes. They give the Goldwing a little bit more attitude than the stock, but they're not ridiculously loud at the same time. Alrighty, I'm home.